As I say, different day, different location, different issues. So back at Grove Towers, this is a job I had videoed originally when we inherited it from another team that had gotten maybe a third of the way through the project, and then we've been asked to take it over. So there's been a lot of challenges, and I wanted to point out today something interesting on this job. In all of the locations we do, we always talk about dropping the ceiling to be able to add lighting, because when these condos are built, there's no lighting in the ceiling. So the condos are great in the day with lots of natural light, but at nighttime, and when the natural light is gone, they're very dark. So we typically always lower the ceilings and then add recessed lighting. In here, it's been challenging because the ceilings are so low to begin with that you don't want to do a big drop. So the drop here has only been 2 inches or less, actually. And so how we've gotten around that is, if you look up, you will see all of these brackets, these electric plate brackets, and the hole in the middle is actually where the recessed light goes. But because it's so shallow, we've only been able to have a light that's actually got an inch thickness. So in order to do it, we have to put that plate in. All of the drywall will be done. The ceilings will have all the plaster, everything done. That gets covered. But when the drywall first gets hung, they have to go around and cut a hole. And then at the end, when everything is finished, the electrician comes back and he puts that light into the hole that's been cut and makes the connection. So it's actually much harder doing it this way in terms of time. It's much more labor intensive than the typical way where we have higher ceilings and we can do a drop of 4 inches and put in a whole recessed can. So that's an interesting challenge, but there's a remedy always.